Tronair, the most trusted name in aircraft ground support equipment.
First things first, you're going to want to remove your jack pad and your extension screw lock nut. Remove your height gauge indicator. Now I'm removing the actual ram lock nut. Use our bearing removing tool to remove the ram bearing itself. Now I will use our ram lifting tool to lift the ram up out of the jack itself. You will want to remove the hydraulic line for the cylinder off of the hand pump itself. Remove the fitting off of the end of the line to get rid of the vacuum from pulling the ram out of the cylinder. Next process is removing the ram out of the cylinder using my overhead crane. And in a slow motion, slowly lifting the ram up out of the cylinder. Next, we're going to remove the lower bearing. There's a set screw and a push pin in here that holds it in place. So first we'll start by removing the set screw. Using a hammer and a punch, gently tap the rod out of place. Your lower bearing should slide right off the jack. You're now able to remove your O-ring and backup ring. At this stage, cleaning the ram surface and seal surface up. Looking for any defects, pitting, rusting, or corrosion. You can then install your new backup ring and new O-ring onto the ram. Reinstall your lower bearing. Align your holes up and reinstall your pin. And be sure to reinstall your pin in the correct orientation for your set screw for this model. I have the set screw here, so the pin orientates this way. Reinstall your set screw to hold the pin in place. Apply your O-ring lube to your new seals. Reinstall your lifting tool. Alright, and then we're going to relift the ram and drop it back down into the cylinder. Remove your lifting tool and then reinstall your ram bearing, following the groove orientation on the ram itself. Reinstall your jack's lock ring. The fittings for your height indicator. You can then reinstall your height indicator. Your extension screw lock nut and jack pad can now be reinstalled. And last, Reconnect your hand pump fitting to the hydraulic line of the cylinder. And after tightening that, you can reconnect it to your hand pump. And that is installing a seal kit on the ram of your 50J 25-178 10-ton tripod.
For more information, contact product support at tronair.com or call 419-866-6301.